Okay, so days 24 to 28, we're going to build out your pre-launch campaign. This is really important because we're going to create an email sequence that builds anticipation. We're going to build a little bit of hype, warm up your waiting list in anticipation of your launch in a few days' time. So we're going to make this email sequence run over the course of your final week. What we do is we build it out now. We schedule the emails to run one per day. So hopefully you have all your pieces in place by now and you are ready to start the pre-launch campaign. So what I want you to do is start the pre-launch campaign with a countdown to the launch day. So one email every day that will say, 6 days to go, then the next day 5 days to go, 4 days to go, 3 days to go, 2 days to go, and then tomorrow is launch date, and then on the 30th, that's when you open cart. So you need to build out that sequence now. So to do that, you provide great content to your waiting list. So it's not a case of just saying, I've got this ebook launching in a few days' time, I'd like you to buy it. We don't do that. What we do is we build trust with our email list. We give them amazing content, and this can be content you create from scratch. It can be content other people makes, as long as you give appropriate credit, of course. So you can give them facts and figures. This helps position you as an authority figure. It gives you credibility when you teach someone facts and figures. When you tell them inspirational stories, share your own experience, share your journey, that will help them connect with you on a deeper level, because if they can see that you were once like them and you achieved the results that they want to achieve, they're going to bond with you. You're going to become their champion. So share inspirational stories. We are hardwired to learn from stories. If you think about your childhood, the first form of communication you learn as a child is stories. So we are hardwired to respond and connect with stories. So if you can put these in your marketing material, in particular in your email sequences, you're going to get that bonding happen really fast. Also give them educational content, things like tutorials. Teach them how to do something new that's relevant. Show them that you have their best interest at heart, that you're going to help them regardless if they buy from you or not. And this is a really smart way of building trust with them. So just map out, maybe share one little trick that will help them achieve something really fast. You want to focus on quick wins. Help them move the dial just a little bit in each email. Build the trust. Use it to connect with them and demonstrate that you do care about them, because that's going to separate you from everyone else. Everyone in their inbox is pitching them some product, something. Everyone wants them to buy something. But if you separate yourself from all those, give them something awesome for free every day for a few days, they will appreciate that, because you are stepping away from everyone else and you're building trust and rapport. Another smart thing to do with your email sequence during this period is to share snippets from your ebook. I'm not talking about an entire chapter or anything like that. Just take a paragraph or two that is really useful to your audience, something that they're going to really appreciate receiving, and you send that and you say, this is a snippet from my book. It's a little sneak peek at what's coming in a few days' time. And remember to have that countdown. This is really important to build anticipation. Everyone loves a countdown. Everyone loves. Think about the Apple keynote speech. Think about when Star Wars releases a new film. There's a countdown. It builds anticipation. It builds hype. So you want to do the same thing with your audience. kind of build them up to almost a frenzy. And you do that by teasing them with inspirational stories, results-based stories, I should clarify. So your stories that you share has to have an end result. They have to achieve something. They have to make it possible for your audience to believe that they can do it too. So results-based stories. I should amend that. And then give them educational content and share snippets from your ebook. It's pretty simple to do. And then have that countdown running. It doesn't have to be fancy. You don't need these countdown timers embedded in your emails. So you can just do it manually. You can say launching on this date. And it can be as simple as that. So that's day 24 to 28, your pre-launch campaign. Tomorrow we're going to look at communicating with your affiliates. Day 29 is tomorrow, the day before the launch. So we're getting very close to pulling the trigger and really making some serious money with this. So day 29 tomorrow, we're going to reach out to affiliates. We're going to remind them of what's going on. We're going to offer to help with their marketing if they need it. Because, of course, that's going to make you more money too. So day 29 tomorrow.